So we're making this really simple chicken carbonara. We're using some smoked bacon with the chicken. Just give it a nice kind of slice. So we go straight in firstly with the bacon, and then we're gonna come along here and give this chicken just a little seasoning of sea salt, like that. It goes in. So while that's happening, into a bowl, we go with 2 eggs. Instead of using pecorino, we're just using a nice Parmigiano. And you see your bacon's gone crispy and the chicken is cooked down nicely. We just literally take this across straight to the pan. Like this. So once you have all ready, all we need to do is get that egg and cheese mixture in. Very simple, easy to do, homemade pasta carbonara with a little help from Manor farm chicken.